Hello, Linus here from StruSoft, and it's time for another tip of the week. And in this video, I will show you a brand new functionality for Impact for Revit, which is bended mesh. So let's take a look at it. I have a wall here, and yeah, I want to reinforce it somehow, but I don't want to use like loose bars and stirrups. But I want to use like a mesh and bend it so that I can have some reinforcement. So yeah, the first option I will do is I will start the bended mesh. I will select the wall, and yeah, the first thing I will do is actually to draw a bended mesh. So I will use the top view and draw it like this. So I will do something like this here. So I draw a C shape, click finish, and what Impact does is it recognizes the shape, and yeah, I will have the profile like this. Before I can apply this and create the mesh, I need to save the bar mark here. So C200 maybe, like this, and then say apply. So now we can see that the bended mesh is here. I will close this one. But we can also see that yeah, I was not careful when I did it, so it's placed in the top here. So let's just make sure that it is fine. I will take the corner here, corner there and here. So it's 145 millimeters. And my cover is 20, so I need to move this one. Or actually, it's already in the cover, so that's fine. So I'll move this one 145, but now it's sticking out here. So what I can do now is just go to my edit and just change the length here. So remove about 150, like this. So it's very easy to just draw a shape that you want to use. But what if I want to use something that's already prepared? So I've done some things here. I created a section, and this section is yeah, placed 45 centimeters or 450 millimeters from the opening. The reason why this is important is that now instead of moving it afterwards, I just prepare the working plane, and yeah, I get it placed properly from the start. So I want to create like a reinforcement beam over the window. So I will go to my um, section like this here, and I will start the draw bended mesh. Select the element, and instead of drawing, I will just select this button up here and selecting a bar mark that I already have created, like this. And I will place this one. So when we place it, we are having some helping lines, which yeah, you see the reinforcement boundary or cover of the original element, and then you also see the boundary of the end cap. So I want to place it here. So now it's corrected, rotated, but otherwise I can just rotate like this. I can mirror, uh, and yeah, the mirror doesn't really work good because it's rectangle, but I can also move the profile. So now we see that the profile is here on the 3D. And the window is 1 meter wide, which means that this one needs to be 1.9 meters. So now I have yeah, created some reinforcement that I need for my element. So this was the basic go through, and I hope that you like the feature. It's released in the latest version of Impact Revit, so it's just to try it out. And with this, I want to say thank you and have a nice day.